Okay guys, once you have here with your device, then let's go to the app called Reminisce. Let's give access. It will indicate you where you can go to your gallery, open and choose the photo you would like to use. Let's choose our photo. Okay, so this is the photo I would like to use. Then click on it. Giving it some time. This is what it looks like. It also enables photo retouching. So as you can see, this is before, this is after. Just make it to be after. Then you save it. Go to save. Okay, let's go to save. So as you can see, it has opened. We will be doing the same thing we did before. So shift this to the left, then save it. Let's save it. Photo manipulation. Once you have saved it, let's move to Picsart further. Okay guys, once you have arrived at Picsart, go to the create icon. Then once you have come to the create icon, select all photos. So once you have selected all photos, let's choose this first photo. As you can see, we have selected our photo. So once you have selected your photo, the first thing you need to do is to go to the icon for tools. Once you have gone to the icon for tools, select the icon for curves. Then you go to this up bar and select the icon for erase. So we'll be taking half of this image. Okay, then go to OK. Go to OK. So the next thing to do is to go the icon of draw. Let's go to the icon of draw. Then select the color you would like to use. So in this color, when drawing the purpose for this is to color the eyes. So in this case, we will be using white color. Let's press OK. Then select this and increase the size. Okay. Then zoom into the eyes and color it. Is to increase the contrast of the eye. Let's go to adjust. So let's increase the clarity. It will be used only for the eyes. Let's go to invert. Then once when invert, you go to restore. Okay guys, then press OK. Okay. So as you can see, we are done. So the next thing to do is to import an image from your gallery. So this image will be used. Let's go to add photo. Okay, so this is it. Okay, add the two. Then the next thing will be to reposition it. Okay, move this one up. Then increase the size of this. Go to blend and choose screen. Okay, and go back to pick, increase this, go to erase, then the next thing you need to do is to go to adjust and increase the contrast of this. Okay, then go to saturation and increase it. Okay, so the next thing, increase it. Okay, then press OK. Go to eraser, select your eraser, then reduce the size, decrease the opacity, and use it on the image. Okay guys, so go to OK. So once you're in OK, increase the opacity, and let's go to the next image. Okay, go to blend, select screen, then go to adjust, go to your view, increase a little bit, decrease it a little bit. Okay, go to OK, then go to erase. So the next thing is to position this to this image. Okay, let's go to add. Okay, this is the image. Go to add. Then the next thing we are going to do is to go to
what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And